Is this thing on? Alright, we're making Pisco sour today, so let's go. First and most important ingredient is Pisco, and you're probably not going to find it in the US. Second, simple syrup. You can find that at any store. 3, you're going to need a slice of lime. You're probably going to need more than 1 slice. Ice to blend up and keep your drink cold. Cinnamon, not cinnamon sugar. I may have made that mistake for a minute. Last but not least, the most important ingredient is the egg, which scares a lot of Americans, but it's the most important. The crucial ingredient. And now the proportions. 1 part of lime. Yes, I know that says lemon, I'm just an idiot. 1 part of simple syrup, and 3 parts of Pisco. We'll start with the lime here. You will need at least 2 limes. I just made a serving for myself. Now the Pisco. Next we have 1 part of simple syrup, which is very easy. And last but not least, the egg. We only want the egg white, so you do need to be a little careful about the way you do this. Also, I hope you're better at it than I am. Now let's blend it all together. We want to add the ice cubes after we blend it once. Now blend it one more time and we're almost finished. Now there is one more thing you need to do. Top it with just a hint of cinnamon, or you can use Angostura bitters. Yeah, it's pretty good, but it is 10 a.m. in the morning. So if you enjoyed this video, hit this button right here and watch this video about my trip in Peru. It's only 4 minutes and it's a fast watch. Cheers. All right, see you later.